Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to our today's session. Today we're going to talk about Python tuple, right? So we're going to talk about tuple. Remember, we are talking about how to save many items in one box. Like you got a box and you want to save many items. Not only a box, it's just an example. Maybe it's a record, right? Maybe you got a database and you want to save many items. Maybe it's a student record. You want to save student details, right? Maybe it's employee details that you want to save. So how to save many items like in a single variable, right? So this is what you're going to see, but today it's all about tuple. Remember, you can use an array, you can use a list, you can use a tuple when it comes to save items in one box or packet, right? But today we're going to talk about tuple. So I'm going to share my screen and you can see what I'm doing. Just what you need to do, you need just to go to the internet because we are using an online platform, like online tool where you are going to go and type and run your code. So you just go to the internet and you're going to type Google Colab and you press enter. So from here, what you must do, you can just scroll down, and when you scroll down, you see there it says collab.research.google.com. You just enter there. And when you click there, what you need to do, you can just go to new notebook, right? You click under new notebook. But if you cannot see new notebook, you can also just go to file. Like here, go to file and you can pick up new notebook, right? So this is where you are going to type your code. So what am I going to do? Okay, let's say I want to create a list. My list is going to be like employee, right? So employee, this is like my list, right? So, and inside my list, so I'm going to put this Patrick, right? The comma, there is uh like 25. Okay, let me just say there's Patrick, there is Mbali there, comma, Mbali, comma, there's also a Tando, right? So this is my list. So for creating a list, you need to use parentheses, right? Don't use square brackets. When it comes to a tuple, this is a tuple. For a tuple, we use like curly braces. No, we are using parentheses. Sorry. So now for printing, I can just say here print like employee, and I'm gonna click there just for printing, just for displaying, right? So this is how to create a tuple, right? Very easy, right? So when it comes to a tuple, this is how you can create it, right? Now, what is funny here, guys? When it comes to a tuple, you cannot change, you cannot add, right? You cannot make changes when it comes to a tuple, right? Like employee's ID, someone's ID. You cannot go to the system and change that particular ID. So if it was correct, right? So in most cases, you want to keep record, but you don't want people to change those records. In that particular case, you can use tuple, right? Because tuple will allow you to save record, but it will stop you from doing changes, right? So I'm talking about in a case where the date of birth is correct, the ID is correct. So nobody can change ID or date of birth. So if it's correct, it must be correct, right? So if I want to create a record, and that record will keep like employee's ID, date of birth, hiring date, I can use a tuple. Why a tuple? Because a tuple will allow me to save many items, but I cannot make changes. You understand? So a tuple is fixed, right? So if you want to change something, it's gonna refuse. Let me show you. So I will try to add like something here. I'm gonna just say like employee dot append, and maybe there I'm gonna say John there, right? And we can try to print here. So you're gonna see that it's going to refuse, right? Why is it refusing? Because you cannot change, you cannot add. This is a tuple, right? So guys, what you need to understand for today's lesson, when it comes to save many items, we can use a list, we can use a tuple, we can use an array. We spoke about a list. Now we are talking about a tuple. When it comes to a tuple, this is a collection of items, but those items are fixed, means we cannot change them. We cannot move them around. We cannot even change their positions, right? So you got your box, you put items like inside, you cannot change them. You can only view them, but you cannot modify. But why is it important to create something like employee and keep records that you cannot change, right? Like I gave you like a case when you are keeping like someone's ID or user's ID. Most of the time you don't want people to change it, right? So for that, you can create something as a tuple. You can create a variable, and that variable, that's going to be your tuple, because you know that when I'm creating a tuple, my items cannot be changed. You understand? This is how to do it. But if you want like changes, you want to do update and so on, you can go and use list or array. So it's your task to remember when it comes to a tuple, means first I'm going to use parentheses, but I'm going to still use my comma, but I cannot make changes. I cannot move items around. This is a fixed, so it's like a fixed list, same list, but that is fixed, right? But later on, we're going to see how you can play around, how you can make your changes, right? You can convert from a tuple to a list, but we're going to talk about those things later on, right? Thank you very much. So if it's your first time, don't hesitate to subscribe, right?